Yeah, I already undid some of the bolts. Take the seat off. There's 2 bolts. It's going to be, I believe it's this one right here. And that one right there for the seat. Then you got 4 bolts right here. Actually, it's 6 bolts. Take this piece off. Then you got some little plastic rivets here. You need a screwdriver, like a Phillips and a flathead. And you use that to remove these little things. They're a little difficult. You got to push down to get it out of there. Two sockets you'll need. A Allen H6, H4 and H5. Alright, I'm going to move on to the next step here in a second. Alright, the servo motor for the exhaust valve is held on by one H5 bolt right there. That's the bolt. I put it back in the hole. Alright, this piece has got a H4 bolt right here. And the way you remove it is, once you get the bolt out, just slide it forward. On this piece, you got a Phillips that goes right here on both sides. And then a 5mm right here. Then you got to lift it up with both hands and slide it forward. The reason you do, you got Velcro that holds it on right here. And it seems like sliding it forward helps it come off. And just lift it up, expand it so you don't scratch the bike. That piece comes off. Alright, you got some H5s on both sides right here. You got 10mm back here, just loosen that nut. And tank this up. Something I mentioned a second ago. Your bike's factory has never had this done. There's like a little retention clip right here you have to pop. So you have to lift it a little bit in the middle to get these to pop out. And this is what they look like. Mine only had one. Yeah. So keep that in mind when you're pulling on it. Just work it easy. Alright, take a short bungee. Pull the tank back. After you do that, you got screws that go all the way around. And I used a power ratchet to get the ones up under here. And then it lifts up. There's your air filter right there. Not too difficult. Alright, this is the air filter I got. I actually have 2 of these now. The reason I use these, they are washable. And you get 2 of them, you can just let one dry and put it back in the box. Just put a little laundry detergent in a bucket. Wash out the old one. Then rinse out the soap with water, warm water. Let it air dry. And then when it's time to change it again, you have another filter ready for you. You don't have to wash it and wait. You can just get back on the bike after you pop it in. So while you're reassembling, let's see if I can get it focus. Come on, camera. There it goes. Put a little thread lock. Low tension. This is a special one. Turn the camera the right way. This is just a rubberized Loctite, and this will keep everything backing out. You don't want a high strength Loctite, and make sure you put bolts back in a logical amount of torque. There is torque specs for these things, but 90% of the people out there don't use torque specs, so use common sense. Something I didn't mention is there's 2 hoses that go right here, and the hoses are right there. So you're going to have to disconnect those as well. But that's pretty much it. This is the servo. Put the servo buddy on it. Remove the servo motor and put a new air filter in it. So the servo motor on this one was already cut before I got it. They cut the cables because it's got the cat delete. So this is that piece. Right here, they already cut the cable, so I didn't have to fish it out of the frame. But if you did, it's pretty self-explanatory. You get to the state, you can fish the cables out. Ride safe, guys. Thanks for watching.